Hey, this is Stacy from Let's Cook Y'all. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, welcome. We're really glad you're here. We're back with a new week of What's for Dinner. We've got some easy and simple and really delicious meals for you this week. Hope you enjoy the video. On Sunday, we went to Tim's cousin's house to visit with his mom, his aunt, and some of his cousins. Everybody brought a dish. The main feature was Mississippi roast with a lot of vegetables and things on the sides and a big strawberry cake for dessert. It was all delicious, and we had a lovely day visiting with Tim's mom. Monday night, we're having Greek. We cooked the gyro meat on the cast iron griddle. I left mine open. Tim's got his wrapped up. We've got homemade tzatziki sauce. He's got romaine, feta, tomato. Is that it? And I have everything but tomato. Oh, and Kalamata olives. He made a pita mozz to go with his hummus, and I'm just having warmed up pita. And that's what's for dinner tonight. I had a couple things on the menu for Tuesday, but Tim invited me to go for the second day in a row to the golf course with him, so I browned up some taco meat earlier in the day. Tim did his in a soft taco. We've got some guacamole and chips on the side and black beans. I just did mine like little mini nachos, and that's what's for dinner tonight. It is Wednesday, and Tim offered again for me to go to the golf course with him, but like I told him, I really feel like I need to stay home and cook. We haven't really had much to eat the last couple nights, so I made fried rice. I didn't have very many veggies. I like to put something green in it. Neither of us like green peas, and I usually put either broccoli or shelled edamame in it. Didn't have any broccoli, so I just went with what I had, and we're having steamed edamame on the side. We're using the last of these P.F. Chang's mini egg rolls from Sam's. We finished those. If you follow us on Instagram, you'll see that I've snagged a deal. I've got a new box of Ling Ling brand full-size egg rolls from Sam's. I found 20 for $5.41, so that was a really good deal. And I made some egg drop soup. We're going to open up and try this yum yum sauce that I also bought at Sam's. And Tim won't touch it, but I made myself Jell-O. He thinks Jell-O is hospital or sick people food. I like it, and it keeps me, if it keeps me from eating something else that's worse as a dessert, I'll eat it. So like I told Tim, tonight we're having fried rice and 3 E's, egg rolls, egg drop soup, and edamame. And that's what's for dinner tonight. And I decided to go out on my back porch. We don't get to eat out very often. Tim's still at the golf course, and it's nice out here, and I hear the frogs croaking and the birds singing and some kids playing in the background. And I just ran off 2 squirrels in my backyard. I need to plant some more flowers, but we've got a screened-in porch, so no bugs. So I'm gonna read my Kindle and eat my Chinese food. Thursday night, instead of leftovers, I decided I would do a quick little pantry meal. I'm trying to do better about using things I have and not creating as many leftovers. So I've kind of done a quick and easy, we're going to do wraps with some of that chicken that I cooked from the bag from Kroger. I didn't have any other vegetables like peppers or mushrooms, so I just sauteed some onions, and I was going to make up honey mustard and do honey mustard wraps, and Tim said, what about that yum yum sauce? So we opened the big bottle last night. It's quick and easy, so I haven't made up my wrap yet. So you could see what was putting in it. And I made me a couscous salad. I've got the recipe for this, not a video, but a recipe on our blog. It has cranberries, feta, and some seasonings. I cut up some strawberries for me, and I did the onion rings in the air fryer for Tim when he gets home. So we'll just have sandwiches. He'll have onion rings, and I'll have couscous and fruit. And I found this hiding in my pantry. This needs to be used, so we will throw some bacon on the chicken wraps. Friday afternoon, I put my favorite go-to in my crock pot, chicken Santa Fe, and we do have a video for this. It always uses pantry ingredients, boneless chicken, black beans, corn, salsa, seasonings, and cream cheese. I usually serve it over brown rice, but I just had it over chips today, and it was delicious. It's like a chunky nachos. Saturday, Tim, who gets my vote for Husband of the Year, took pity on me and took me to eat Chinese. We went to our favorite little hole in the wall. We had some plate lunches with egg drop soup, and we're just going to have leftovers Saturday night. That wraps up another week of What's for Dinner. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel, Let's Cook, y'all. Hope you'll like, comment, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Have a wonderful and blessed day, y'all.